Welcome to my channel. Hi gorgeous! Glowing Star want a quick, at-home way to lift, tone, and sculpt your face without expensive spa visits? Let me show you how the NuFACE Mini Plus is changing the game for radiant, youthful skin. Let's get started. NuFACE Mini Plus Microcurrent Facial Device Kit. NuFACE Mini Plus Microcurrent Facial Device Kit, Sandy Rose. FDA-cleared face sculpting and skin tightening contour, lift and tone, includes microcurrent gel activator and silk creme. Experience the power of professional facial toning in the comfort of your own home with the NuFACE Mini Plus Microcurrent Facial Device Kit. Designed for both instant and long-term results, this petite yet powerful device harnesses clinically proven microcurrent technology to tone, lift, and tighten the face and neck. Whether you want to refresh your look before a night out or commit to an anti-aging routine, the Mini Plus delivers spa-quality results anytime, anywhere. Clinically proven at-home treatment. The Mini Plus uses low-level electrical currents, known as microcurrents, that send gentle waves through the skin and down to the facial muscles. This stimulates and trains your muscles, helping to restore a youthful contour. With just 5 minutes per session, you can target sagging skin, lift brows, improve cheek definition, and smooth out fine lines and wrinkles. Results are both instant and cumulative, giving you a natural lift today and a firmer, more toned appearance over time. Must-have microcurrent skincare. The kit includes 2 powerhouse skincare activators designed to enhance your microcurrent results. Aqua Gel, infused with proprietary IonPlex technology, this hydrating formula combines a precise concentration of ions with glacial water to help conduct the microcurrent deep into your facial muscles while locking in moisture for up to 24 hours. Silk Creme, a luxurious, firming, and brightening moisturizer that hydrates the skin and delivers added anti-aging benefits, making your skin smoother, plumper, and more radiant after each use. Both formulas are esthetician-created, clean, fragrance-free, and safe for all skin types. Instant and lasting on-the-go results. Thanks to its portable design, the NuFACE Mini Plus is perfect for travel or quick touch-ups before important events. In just a few weeks, users report remarkable changes. 95% noticed improvement in sagging skin around the neck. 90% saw a more lifted jawline. 93% experienced a reduction in deep forehead lines. Whether you're aiming for a youthful lift or want to maintain your natural contour, this device makes it easy to keep your skin looking its best. NuFACE Smart App Integration. Pair your Mini Plus with a free NuFACE Smart App to unlock guided tutorials, exclusive treatment modes, and the selfie tracker, so you can monitor your visible progress over time. It's like having a personal esthetician at your fingertips. FDA cleared and professionally approved. Every NuFACE device undergoes rigorous testing to meet the highest safety and efficacy standards. The Mini Plus is FDA cleared, ensuring that you get a safe, effective, and clinically backed treatment every time you use it. Elevate your skincare routine with the NuFACE Mini Plus Microcurrent Facial Device Kit, Sandy Rose, and experience a youthful lift, sculpted contours, and radiant, healthy skin from the comfort of your home. To buy this product, go to check links in the description box for each product mentioned. Please subscribe my channel. Watch the next video. Thanks for watching this video.